Dracula Mihawk is not only the world's strongest swordsman, he might have the strongest observation Haki in the series. Mihawk is known by the name Hawk Eyes, and so think of the eyes of a hawk or a bird of prey striking from above, like he did against Luffy, telling him that he was still within range. That Mihawk's eyesight can see great distances and possibly see things before they even happen, and so future sight too. Some believe Mihawk's observation is so great that he used it to find Shanks on that isolated island. But did you know the original nickname of Mihawk was not Hawkeyes but the Clairvoyant? That Mihawk has powers of clairvoyance, the magical or psychic ability to gain information about an object, person, location, or physical event through extrasensory perception. Notably, Dracula Mihawk might be based off of the vampire Dracula. A bat is kind of like a bird. Bats have good senses too, and vampires are psychic. And so Mihawk's clairvoyance gives him OD observation, even able to recognize the unique potential of those he fights, Zoro and Luffy.